Hi there, it's Peter here from ClearScope Solutions. In this video, we want to show you just how easy it is to install LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM. So I'm just going to step through that process now. So once you're inside your CRM and you go to the Zoho Marketplace by clicking here, you'll open up the Zoho Marketplace, which you can see here. All you need to do is search for LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM and then click that little button here and then you'll see the extension. Okay, and then what you need to do next is just click the install and then you'll be in this page here, which basically just tells us that we're going to install LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM. You just need to accept the terms and service, authorize LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM and then click continue. Now, at this point, you can set which of your users or profiles get access to Zoho LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM. So I'm going to set to install for all users, but you can easily choose different profiles. So you could create a profile. It's called, say, LogixOne Chat and add individual users to that. So if you don't want to show LogixOne Chat to all of your users, then you can do it that way. But if you want all of your users to be able to access it, just click all install for all users and then just click the confirm button. All right, and then we'll just wait for that to install. Okay, now that should have installed and it's installing. Still got a little bit to go, so we'll just let that finish. Okay, so now you can tell it's installed. Now you can tell that by you can see these values here. That actually tells you that we've actually installed it. Now the next step is simple. All you need to do now is, as detailed here, is go to the newly created LogixOne Chat module inside CRM. Now, these are your modules at the top here for Zoho CRM. If you can't see it, just click other modules and then you'll find it here, LogixOne Chat. All right, so open that up. And now we'll have LogixOne Chat. Now, the first thing it will ask you to do is click the connect button. So what we're going to do now is authorize LogixOne Chat to connect to your particular instance of Zoho CRM. You'll also notice here, if you get stuck at any time, you can click this link and book a call with us, and we'll be happy to get on a one-on-one call with you and help you through the process. It's all free. So if you ever get stuck and you want help, you got any questions whatsoever, you can do that. So you just click the connect button. It'll open up another module and you'll notice again here, we've got our booking form to make it easy for you to be able to book a free appointment if you get stuck, okay? So once you get to this point, all you need to do then is click the authorize button. It will then ask you which CRM you want to install it in and then just click accept. Okay, and so now that's been complete. So we'll just close that and return to the LogixOne Chat module inside your Zoho CRM. Just need to refresh here. And then we've installed it. Okay, so the next step is to set up channels, and that's for another video. But now you know it's installed because you are basically presented with the chat channels setup section of LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM. So there you go. That's it. That's basically how you install LogixOne Chat for Zoho CRM. Again, if you need some help, you can click our little help button down here. You can chat with us, or what I really suggest is that you book a one-on-one free appointment with us online, and we'll help you get connected, whether that be installing it, whether that be setting up your channels, or maybe even it's a demo that you're looking for. Happy to do that for free. All right, so thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.